Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect Shopify to Brevo. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below where you can sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, go to Zapier. Zapier is a platform used for automating tasks between different apps. You can integrate a wide range of apps to automate workflows and tasks across different platforms. Now, in the top left corner, click on Create and select Zaps. In the first search bar, look for Brevo and click on it. In the second bar, search for Shopify and click on it. Next, go back to the Brevo setup and complete the trigger event. Sign in to your Brevo account to get your API key. Go to Brevo, click on your profile in the top right corner, and select SMTP and API. Click on the API key option. In the top right corner, select Generate a new API key, give your API key a name, and click Generate Key. Copy the API key. Return to Zapier, paste your API key, and click Yes to continue and complete the test. Now move on to the Shopify setup. Complete the action event, sign into your Shopify account, and enter your Shopify URL. Click Yes to continue, complete the configuration, and test the connection. Finally, click Publish, and you're done. Thanks for watching.